Auzu billahi minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with you the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence. I have chosen this chapter from class 8th Science. Dear students, growing up is a natural process. The period of life when the body undergoes change leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. Since this period covers the teens, adolescents are also called teenagers. In girls, adolescence may begin a year or 2 years earlier than in boys. Also, the period of adolescence varies from person to person. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. These changes mark the onset of puberty. The most important change which marks puberty is that boys and girls become capable of reproduction. Puberty ends when the adolescents reach reproductive maturity. We have different changes. For example, there is change in increase in height. The most conspicuous change during puberty is the sudden increase in height. At this time, the long bones, that is the bones of the arms and the legs, elongate and make a person tall. Dear students, initially girls grow faster than boys, but by about 18 years of age, both reach their maximum height. The rate of growth in height varies in different individuals. Some may grow suddenly at puberty and then slow down, while others may grow gradually. There is no need, there is nothing to say that all parts of the body do not grow at the same rate. Sometimes the arms and legs or hands and feet of adolescents look oversized and out of proportion while the body with the body. But soon the other parts catch up and result in a proportionate body. We must have noticed that height of an individual is more or less similar to that of some family members. This is because height depends on the genes inherited from parents. It's however very important to eat the right kind of food during these growing years. This helps the bones, muscles, and other parts of the body get adequate nourishment for growth. You'll find nutritional needs of adolescents, which we are going to discuss later in this lesson. Then there is one more change that adolescents have to undergo, that is change in body shape. We have noticed that boys in our class have broader shoulders and wider chests than boys in junior classes. This is because they have entered the age of puberty, when shoulders generally broaden as a result of growth. In girls, the region below the waist becomes wider. In boys, the muscles of the body grow more prominently than the girls. Thus, changes occurring in adolescent boys and girls are different. But there is one more change, that is voice change. Dear students, Have you ever noticed that sometimes the voice of some of the boys in your class cracks? At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. Boys develop larger voice boxes. The growing voice box in boys can be seen in a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside because of its smaller size. Generally, girls have a higher pitched voice, whereas boys have a deep voice. In adolescent boys, sometimes the muscles of the growing voice box go out of control and the voice becomes hoarse. The state may remain for a few days or weeks, after which the voice becomes normal. We have so many other changes that take place in adolescents, dear students. It is not feasible right now to discuss all those. Inshallah, by the next topic, we'll be discussing other changes that take place in adolescents. Till then, Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.